Hey everyone, Brian from Ceramic Pro, Northwest New Jersey. Today we got a Cybertruck in the shop that's getting a full body matte PPF installation to it. Carlo's working on the front fender over here on that. Over here we got a Lincoln MKZ, which is getting a full ceramic IR window tint. Dan's working on that. Back this way, we got John working on a Ford Raptor. This one's getting a 2-layer ion coating. So that's 2 layers, 1 base coat, 1 top coat on all the paint, plastic trim, glass, wheel faces, everything. So it's gonna be back with a 7-year warranty on that. Over here, we got Paige working on this Tesla Model Y. This did get a full front bumper with the Cavacha PPF. Then we're getting the 2-layer ion coating on all the same thing, paint, glass, trim, wheels, everything. And then over here, we have Mike from Skylands Audio working on this awesome Jeep Wrangler. He's getting ready to put it together for the fair that we're gonna be at.